Hi everyone, we're at Atlanta Airport at the baggage claim. Right now we're at the South Terminal. There's a South Terminal and there's a North Terminal. Remember that all bags from Delta flights come in on the South Terminal, or other airlines come in at the North Terminal. If we want to go do Uber, it's different if we're at the South Terminal to the North Terminal, because we have to walk to the North Terminal to take the Uber or the Lyft. So we're going to show you how to walk down to go grab an Uber. Okay, so we just take the escalators down and we're going to go all the way down. And as you see, it's really well signposted. Uber pickup down there on the ground ahead of us. All you're going to do is follow this. It takes about 5 minutes to walk there. Very, very simple and very well signed. You're going to have to walk outside for a short period of time. We're going to walk into actually one of the parking garages. So here you'll see rideshare zones 1 to 8. And that's Lyft and Uber directly there. Just remember, with Uber, don't take any rides from any strangers or anything like that. You're always going to get your Uber pickup in the same area. And you can see everywhere it says rideshare. Follow that, and that'll take you straight to the rideshare. Now, the actual Uber rideshare isn't actually inside the parking garage. It's just outside. So as you see here, we're going to take you to the left here, follow the signage, walk over to the left. It's going to take you outside, and they're going to be 8 different zones. So the 8 different zones are going to bring you in, and you're going to see where do you stand to pick up your particular Uber ride. It's trying to spread the congestion out so that you're standing in different areas to pick up your Uber ride. Atlanta is obviously audible pedestrian friendly, and you can see that we've got pedestrian push buttons that are going to tell you when it's safe to walk across these crosswalks. So we're going to go walk across here and show you exactly where you need to be. So there are various different zones at this area here. You need to have a look for zone number 3, zone number 4, zone number 7, whatever it is. On your Uber app, it's going to tell you which zone you need to wait at. So make sure that you wait at the correct zone for your Uber to pick you up, and make sure you also check the number plates as well to ensure that it's the correct Uber picking you up, taking you to the World Congress Center.